Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have studied about classification of industries. In that, we have discussed about agro-based industries. Now today, we are going to study about agro-based industries in detail. Students, as you know that agro-based industries are those industries which depend on agriculture for their production. For example, cotton textile industry, jute textile industry, silk industry, and sugar industry. This type of industry, they get their raw material from the agriculture, and that is why its name is agro-based industry. In agro-based industry, the first one which we are going to discuss, it is a textile industry. Textile industry is very important in our Indian economy. It is very important because it contributes 14% industrial production. It provides employment to about 35 million persons directly. It is second largest employment provider sector after agriculture, and also it contributes 4% GDP. It is only industry in the country which is self-reliant and complete in the value chain. Means in our country, from raw material to the textile, everything is available for textile industry. Like when we speak about cotton industry, we produce cotton in our country, and the farmer who produce cotton, they get employment by producing cotton, raw cotton, and then the seed of cotton is taken out from the cotton ball, and cotton balls are made. Then again from that cotton ball threads are made. It provides employment to the thread maker, and after making thread or fiber, it is used for making cloth. In this way, agro-based industry or textile industry, it provides a lot of employment, and the process is given in front of you. Here, fiber production from the raw fiber, then spinning take place, then yarn is made, then weaving or knitting fabric with the help of fabric, weaving in and knitting take place. After that, dyeing, they color the thread, and after that garment manufacture, make the garment. In this way, this textile industry is self-reliant, and it provides employment to lot of person after agriculture. In our country, as you know, that agriculture provides most of the employment. After agriculture, textile industry is there, which provides about 35 million person job. In this way it is very, very important. Textile industry is too important. Now we are going to study about cotton textile industries. In our country, in 1854, the first cotton textile industries was set up in Mumbai, because at that time in our country colonial rule was there, and due to colonial rule our textile industries was collapsed, because the clothes were made by hand in our country by handlooms, and in England they produce clothes textile with the help of machines. They produce in large quantity, and that cloth was cheap when we compare them to the Indian textile or Indian clothes. That is why our Indian textile collapsed during the colonial rule. But two world wars were fought in European country. At that time England was also fighting with Germany, with Central Power. About that you know. Then there was a requirement of garments. That is why they started producing garments in our country, in India. Most of the textile company at that time were set up near the coastal region, because due to the climatic condition the thread which were made, they do not break because of the moisture available in the atmosphere in coastal area in Maharashtra, Gujarat. That is why most of the textile industries were concentrated in that area. In beginning, most of the textile production was by the handloom, but due to the production in England, there was a import from the England, and our market was full of the garments of the England, clothes of the England. But after 1854, when different movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi, he started saying to the people of the country that they have to produce khadi for themselves, they have to become independent for clothes, they have to stop purchasing clothes which were made in England. In this way, the textile company, the textile production, the cotton textile production started in our country. In present time, we are self-dependent, and the cotton textile company factory is providing lot of employment. As I told you previously that the cotton textile, from the raw material to the finished goods, it is providing employment to lot of person. As a farmer, it is providing employment, as the farmer produce cotton, they sell them. After that they clean the seed from the cotton, and also from that seed oil is made. That oil is edible oil. The people of Maharashtra, Gujarat, they utilize that oil as edible oil. And then after, different works are there with the help of that cotton ball, the thread maker. Then after making the thread, they make garments, and after that garment, they stitch. The tailor, they also get employment. In this way, textile is providing lot of employment, and in that cotton textile is also very important in our country. About other textile we will study later.